Speaking Part 1 Phrases. Expressing likes and dislikes. I really enjoy. I'm not a big fan of. I find it quite interesting, relaxing, boring, etc. I would definitely recommend. Describing things. It's quite big, small, loud, quiet, etc. It has a nice atmosphere, a modern design, etc. You can see a lot of people, different shops, etc. There are all sort of things, historical buildings, etc. Speaking part 2 phrases. Giving reasons. The reason for this is because of this. That's because due to the fact that. Describing experiences. It was a great experience. I had a fantastic time. I found it to be very interesting, challenging, rewarding, etc. Overall, it was a positive or negative experience. Speaking part 3 phrases. Discussing hypotheticals. I imagine I would, in that case, I would probably, the ideal scenario would be expressing agreement and disagreement. I completely agree. I see your point that I wouldn't necessarily say that. That's an interesting perspective. By using a variety of these phrases, you can demonstrate your fluency and vocabulary in the IELTS speaking test. Thank you and all the best for your IELTS examination.